Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my night routine with my burps, so let's get started. So first I put them in their cage if they're not already. So make them go on top of their cage, which I cleaned their cage just today. Then once he's there, I get this one. Sunny's a bit impatient, so, well, not impatient, but he's one of the newer ones, so he sometimes just doesn't want to go. So, he's a pretty mean one. So, he would usually go, but today it's just a no-no. But what I would usually do is just get the water bowl, which is that, and clean it out. So, since I already cleaned out, I'm not going to go with my hands this time, but just to demonstrate. And so, yeah, and I have this adorable little soap that my friend gave me. And so, yeah. So then I test out the water temperature. You know, I like it cold, then warm. And so if I think that's good, then I'll just shake a bit off so it doesn't overflow. And then turn the lights off. Then I will go and put it in their cage. There we go. And then, Sunny, you want to go in your cage? Aww. And then I'd obviously wash my hands. And so obviously I wash my hands with this adorable little soap. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Usually I've left it much longer than that, but here we go, and it has a really nice scent to it too, so I wash it, and then, look at that, so cute. Then, wash my hands off, then I dry my hands, then I go and check on Sunny. Okay, so let's see if we can put him in the cage. Sunny, wanna go in your cage? Okay, so he finally went in his cage. Now, I just get the blanket and cover it over them. But not fully, because I find that Kiwi gets a bit scared, because I can tell around his eyes in the morning he gets really scared, so I don't cover too much. I'll show you guys. Just that much, because you can see Kiwi's a bit scared right now, but he prefers to be, you know, in the light more. And so I'll close the cage because I don't want them going anywhere in the middle of the dark. So, yeah, then they just sleep. And then I just go upstairs, you know, just walk to my kitchen. Then I get some milk for myself to drink for the night. I pour only about that much just because I don't drink a lot and I end up wasting half of it. I don't know about you guys, but I love cold milk. Don't know why, it just tastes really nice. So, cheers, I guess. Then say goodnight to my birds. Good night, Kiwi. Then brush my teeth. Then I brush my teeth. And I also have to do one more thing. I have to change, so let's go do that.